Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the wave for the edge and the skirt. If you place a new terrain inside the scene, let's go to our terrain edge wave right here. If you enable it, what you're going to get is just basically, by default, you'll just have a little wave pattern that goes up and down to it. You have a wave direction, left and right, is how far is it going to go from center. You have a wave up and down, is how far up and down it's going to go. You have a wave speed. If you increase the speed, it's going to be going up and down quicker. If we were to take, we'll say, the wave down around here, take our speed a little bit slower. Now on the position scale, you're actually saying that if the object further out, how far is it going to scale up and down? So it can look like when you make it a larger scale, it's going to kind of move the whole thing up and down, but when you go smaller, when you get to its actual scale size, you can actually take it below, so now you can see where it's actually going smaller than the actual size it is. You can go actually below all of it. I can take it down to like a 1 or a 2, and then you get a really nice ripple effect going with it. Alright, so there you go. A couple of different ways that you can actually manipulate the edge without having to change any animation or texture image, but just changing the actual form of how it's being controlled with it. The other option we'll go ahead and take a look at, because it's the same type, is going to be the terrain skirt wave. If you're wanting the skirt itself actually to wave, and it's going to have the same properties and the same setup. If you're trying to make something where it feels like it needs to be doing similar to that, you can actually apply it with it as well. Alright, so there we go. So at that point, you can then have a very interactive element that you can use, and remember, you can always take this and continue adding points to it, and it'll just continue to update based on where you place it.